I'm Neil Lewis, I'm the manager of Ynni Sir Gâr, and I'm also very proud to be the councillor for Plaid Cymru in Abergwili. But I'm here today to talk about the manifestos of the various parties coming up to the very important Senedd elections, because the people of Wales have obviously got concerns. There's a lot of tension about renewable energy and about pylons and what have you. And we've been through the manifestos of all the parties independently to try and work out what the best decision might be for people who are concerned with climate change, concerned with fuel poverty, concerned with the landscapes in Wales. What do we need from this election? As someone who was brought up in a coal mining community, the extractive industries, the extractive habits seem to be continuing in the form of renewables. So you have these big companies coming in, getting the cheapest options when it comes to pylons and putting cables overground rather than underground, not really benefiting the local people as well as they should. Because obviously you've got great examples all across Wales of turbines dominating the landscape, and yet the people in the communities aren't benefiting a great deal. So we want shared ownership models, we want cheaper electricity for people hosting these renewable energy projects, but the holy grail for us is to own the projects and to be able to supply the electricity at affordable rates for the local people, so the people don't just host these projects, that they actually benefit directly from them. And that's why we've been looking through the manifestos of all the political parties standing in this Senedd election to see who people should vote for if they want an energy system in Wales that works for them.